In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable's Omni and field agents. By the end, you'll be comfortable launching Airtable's AI-powered builder, writing a clear prompt, and understanding how field-level assistance can help you work faster and more accurately. First, head to airtable.com now in your browser and sign into your workspace if you aren't already. From there, open the home view. This is your central hub where recent bases, interfaces, and templates live, and it's also where you'll find the AI entry point we'll use today. On the home screen, look for the option labeled Start with Omni. Omni is Airtable's AI builder that can translate a plain language idea into a working base, complete with tables, fields, and suggested views. Think of it as a fast way to get a structured starting point without having to model everything from scratch. When the Omni window opens, type your prompt. Be specific about what you're trying to manage and what you want to see. A helpful prompt explains your goal, the kinds of records you'll track, the fields you care about, and any relationships between them. You can also mention what outputs you expect, like views for different stakeholders or fields for status, owners, dates, and priorities. For example, if you're building a content calendar, tell Omni that you need a table for content items with titles, channels, published dates, owners, and approval status, plus a separate table for campaigns and a calendar view to visualize deadlines. Clarity here reduces rework later. Once your prompt looks good, click Build It. Airtable will generate a base that reflects your request. You'll typically see tables, linked relationships, sample views, and field types chosen to match your description. Take a moment to scan the result and make sure the names and data types align with your needs. If something feels off, improve the wording of your prompt for your next build by tightening the scope, naming key fields, and stating the relationships plainly. As you explore the base, it helps to understand field agents. These are AI helpers that operate at the field level to transform or generate values, such as summarizing long text, extracting key details, classifying content, or drafting helpful descriptions. They complement Omni by handling ongoing, record-by-record tasks once your structure exists. Whenever you see AI-suggested behaviors in fields, think of them as a way to keep data clean, consistent, and enriched without manual copying or complex formulas. That's it. Go to Airtable, open Home, start with Omni, describe exactly what you need, and build it. With clear prompts and smart field assistance, you'll go from idea to a usable, organized system in minutes.